Welcome to Membership Websites. This tutorial is going to look at localized settings. If we go into the admin area and we go down to settings, across the general settings, we're going to go across to localization. As default, the website may be set up as an alternative country or state. We're going to set this website up as if it's being built and created for the United Kingdom. So to proceed with that, we go to the primary country and we're going to put in the United Kingdom. Website time zone would be London. Date format would be day, month and year. Time format, we can select either 12-hour or 24-hour format. We're going to leave it on 12-hour format. Display website time zone when publishing a post. We're going to leave it no. Default website language is English. Distant format, we're going to set to miles. Location search suggestions, we're going to keep the website localized within the United Kingdom. So we don't want to include all countries through the Google Maps search. We just want to keep it local. So we're selecting primary countries. Currency, we're going to select our local currency. We're keeping the currency format the same and the prefix is a pound symbol. Save settings. That is how to set up our website locally.